Hello, my dear students. Let us continue from where we left yesterday. Governor has reached the hotel room where Evans was staying, and when Evans wanted to run away, he told him that he had his men all around the hotel. So there was no benefit in trying. Let us start from that point. So from here we have to start. I have got men all round the place. Well, there were only two really, but Evans need not know that. He let the words sink in. Women too. Didn't you think the blonde girl in reception was rather sweet? Although there were only two persons outside, still Governor made Evans believe that there were many people, and he told him that the receptionist was also uh, his officer. Evans was visibly shaken. He sat down slowly in the only chair the small room could offer and held his head between his hands. For several minutes there was utter silence. Because Evans had been nabbed again, he was completely defeated, and that's why he sat down on the chair. For some minutes they didn't speak anything. Finally he spoke. It was that bloody correction slip, I suppose. Well, the governor failed to mask the deep satisfaction in his voice. Means governor was satisfied when he said, "There are a few people who know a little German, and I am one of them. I know German. That's why I could decode what was written in the correction slip." Slowly, very slowly, Evans relaxed. He was beaten, he was defeated, and he knew it. He sat up at last and managed to smile ruefully, managed to smile sadly. You know, it was not really a mistake. You see, we hadn't been able to fix up any hotel, but we could have worked that some other way. Means they could not decide, they could not fix any hotel, and that's why they faced this problem. They were caught. Now, the really important thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished to get everyone out of the way for a couple of minutes. So, we had to know exactly when the exam started, didn't we? So the most important thing for Evans and his friends was to know when the exam started. And how did they know? They wanted to call just before exam finished. So for that they needed the actual time of the exam, when the exam started. So, and like a fool, I presented you with that little piece of information on a plate. Yes, when there was a call from assistant secretary, actually it was not from assistant secretary from the board, it was Ivan's friend, and governor had told him without asking that exam started 15 minutes ago. So in this way he told him when the exam started. Well, somebody did. So you see, sir, that correction slip killed two little birds with a single stone, didn't it? The name for the hotel for me and the exact time the exam started for, means he does not want to disclose. एक तीर से दो शिकार हुए. उस करेक्शन स्लिप के टाइम पे जब फ़ोन किया गया असिस्टेंट सेक्रेटरी बन के उसके फ्रेंड के द्वारा, तो करेक्शन स्लिप के थ्रू इवांस को तो होटल का नेम पता लग गया कि कहाँ जाना है, किस होटल में उसको जाना है, और उसके फ्रेंड्स को ये पता लग गया कि एग्ज़ाम कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुआ था. सो एक तीर से दो निशाने. द गवर्नर नोडेड. इट इज़ अ प्रेटी कॉमन वर्ड. गुड जॉब. इट इज़ प्रेटी कॉमन सर, और आई वुड नेवर हैव नोन वेयर टू कम टू, वुड आई? यस, नेम कॉमन है इसीलिए तो मुझे पता लग गया कि यहाँ पे आना है, अदरवाइज मैं कैसे आता. नाइस नेम दो, जुम गोल्डन एंड लोवन. हाउ डिड यू नो विच गोल्डन लाइन इट वॉज? there is hundreds of them. Now Evans asked the governor, आपको कैसे पता लगा कौन से गोल्डन लाइन में जाना है? बहुत सारे हैं इस नाम के. Same as you, Evans. Index number 313, center number 271. Remember, 6 figures. And if you take an ordnance survey map for Oxfordshire, you find that the 6-figure reference 313/271 lands you bang in the middle of the Chipping Norton. Means this is the address of the center of Chipping Norton. So he checked it in the map. The same thing Evans used. Evans was also provided with the map when he reached the car. So he also reached in this hotel using these codes, and governor decoded this. Yeah, you are right. We had hoped you would run off to Newbury. Yes, we did. हम न्यूबरी गए थे. Well, that's something I suppose. That question paper, Evans. Could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. मुझे तो नहीं समझ में आया. तुम समझ सकते थे क्या, Evans? Nah, of course I couldn't. I knew roughly what it was all about. But we just hoped it would throw a few spanners in the works, sort of muddle everybody a bit. So they have decided just to disturb everyone, just to perplex everyone, just to make everyone confused. This was only their purpose. कोर्स को, लैंग्वेज को इवांस नहीं जानता था. The governor stood up. Tell me one thing before we go. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? How did you get the blood? Ivan suddenly looked a little happier. Clever, sir. Very clever, that was. How to get a couple of pints of blood into a cell. When there is none there to start off with. And when the invigilator, shall we say, gets searched before he comes in. Yes, sir. You can well ask about that. And I don't know if I ought to tell you. और मैं जानता नहीं आपको बताना चाहिए मुझे या नहीं बताना चाहिए. After all, I might want to use that particular. I want to tell you. Anything to do with the little rubber ring for piles, perhaps? Evans grinned feebly. Clever though, wasn't it? चालाकी थी ना. Must have been a tricky job sticking a couple of pins. Nah, you have got it wrong, sir. No problem about that. No. Nah, it is the clotting, you see. That is the big trouble. So, governor said, clotting हो जाती है blood की. वो बड़ी trouble है. तुमने कैसे manage किया उसको? We got the blood easy enough. Pig's blood it was, from the slaughterhouse in Kidlington. Slaughterhouse means where the pigs are killed. But to stop it clotting, you have got to mix your actual blood. Evans took a breath. With 1/10 of its own volume of 3.8% trisodium citrate. Didn't know that. Did you, sir? The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. Means he could not stop himself admiring Evans. We learn something new every day. They tell me, come on my lad, आओ मेरे बेटे अब चलते हैं. मैंने सुना है कि हम हर दिन कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Evans made no show of resistance and